Welcome guys, so today I am with EarFun Air Pro and I'm going to show you how you can connect them to your Android smartphone. So first open the case with your earphone and then you have to click and hold this button inside for 3 seconds until this indicator starts blinking on the white and the green. Right now we are in the pairing mode, so we can simply go for the Bluetooth settings on our Android phone, turn on Bluetooth by tapping on the switch here, select EarFun Air Pro, accept pairing request, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. So yeah, that's simple as that. Of course, before the pairing, you have to remember to charge your case and earbuds inside at least to the 50%. And actually that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.